Ever spent precious minutes scrubbing salad greens just to end up with soggy lettuce? What if 30 unbelievable Amazon gadgets could shave hours off your meal prep while turning every dish into a chef's masterpiece? In this countdown, we'll unveil kitchen game changers that blend innovation with simplicity and surprise you with one tool that flips everything on its head. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. If these picks help, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch every new roundup. Now, let's dive into the list. Ninja Foodi DZ0716-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer. Meet the air fryer that refuses to cook in single-player mode. Ninja's FlexBasket lets you drop the divider for a giant 7-quart megazone roast or split it into two 3.5-quart baskets and sync different temps with dual zone tech. Smart Finish ensures both foods land hot at the same time, while 6 presets – air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate – cover dinner to dessert. Non-stick crisper plates snap out for dishwasher cleanup, and the family-sized basket still tucks under most cabinets. Big capacity, no back-to-back batches, just faster, crispier results every night. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. Why own 9 gadgets when one does the lot? Swap lids on this 1500-watt powerhouse to pressure cook chili in 30 minutes, then air fry wings to pub-level crunch. The roomy 8-quart stainless pot serves up to 8, and 10+ safety locks keep the steam drama free. Built-in programs slow cook, roast, broil, bake, sauté, dehydrate, and keep warm. Handle recipes from bone broth to lava cake. Dishwasher safe parts mean the only thing you'll be wiping is your grin. One cooker, endless meal moods, all on your countertop. COSORI Aeroblaze Smart Indoor Grill and XL Air Fryer. Craving steakhouse grill marks without the smoke alarm? Aeroblaze sears up to 510 degrees Fahrenheit with 360 degrees rapid air tech, dropping char lines on rib eyes while keeping your apartment haze-free. 8 functions: crisp, air grill, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, preheat, keep warm, live in the VSync app so Alexa can flip dinner while you couch surf. 4 heat levels, a carbon filter smoke guard, PTFE-free ceramic plates, and dishwasher-safe parts round out this countertop beast. Grill weather is now a year-round setting. Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Hard-boil a dozen eggs faster than water can gossip. Dash's one-touch cooker steams up to 12 eggs, soft, medium, or hard, without babysitting. Swap trays to poach 7 at once or whip a fluffy 3-egg omelet. A built-in measuring cup pierces shells for crack-free peeling, while the thermal sensor shuts off before overcooking. Double-decker tiers even steam dumplings or veggies when breakfast duty ends. Compact, colorful, and dishwasher-friendly, it turns Sunday brunch into a 5-minute flex. KitchenAid Cordless 5-cup food chopper. Unplug and prep anywhere. This lithium-powered chopper blitzes onions, herbs, or whipped cream with 2 speeds and a pulse, processing up to 40 onions per charge. A drizzle basin emulsifies dressings mid-spin, and the whisk attachment whips peaks on demand. Parts are BPA-free and top-rack safe, the battery hits full in 2 hours, or quick charge in 10 minutes for 11 onions, and the whole unit weighs under 3 pounds. Drawer-friendly freedom for tiny kitchens and RVs alike. Zip-Top Reusable Platinum Silicone Food Storage Set. Ditch zip bags forever. Zip-Top's 8-piece kit, 3 cups, 3 dishes, 2 stand-up bags, stands open on its own, then zips shut with a squeeze. Made in the USA from pure platinum silicone, they're BPA-free, microwave, freezer, and oven-safe, and won't leach plastics into tonight's marinara. Pop them in the dishwasher and they nest like nesting dolls. From smoothie prep to sous vide and snack duty, they're the forever containers your fridge actually likes. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Press, spin, break. Greens go from soggy to salad ready in 30 seconds. OXO's pump-action lid uses your body weight for turbo drying, and a built-in brake button halts the whirl instantly. The clear 6.22-quart bowl doubles as a serveware upgrade, while the 4.4-quart basket moonlights as a colander. Non-slip base, BPA-free build, and dishwasher-safe parts make leafy life shockingly easy. Spin once and you'll wonder how towels ever passed for salad prep. Mueller Multi-Blade Adjustable Mandoline Slicer. Slice paper-thin cucumbers or 9mm steak fries with a twist of Mueller's dual knob dial. No clumsy blade swaps. 5 razor-sharp stainless inserts julienne, grate, and shred, while the safety food pusher guards fingertips. The ABS frame folds flat, catching blades in a storage case and slipping into a drawer. Top rack safe and under $40, it turns uniform cuts from chef fantasy to Tuesday routine. Goodbye onion tears, hello pro plating. Dreamfarm Supoon sit-up silicone scraping spoon. Spatula, scoop, scraper, and built-in spoon rest, all in one funky utensil. Supoon's weighted handle lifts the silicone head off your counter, keeping benches spotless. The flat squeegee tip cleans skillet corners. Flexible sides hug every last drop of sauce. Heat safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and friendly to non-stick, it even has 5 ml and 15 ml lines stamped inside for on-the-fly measuring. One tool, zero mess, infinite stirring swagger. Tovolo Sphere Ice Mold Set of 2. Upgrade cocktails with slow-melting 2.5-inch ice planets. Each stackable mold pairs a rigid base with a leak-proof silicone cap, fill to the line, snap shut, and freeze without spills. The flexible top peels away for crystal-clear spheres that chill longer and dilute less, perfect for bourbon, cold brew, or fancy iced coffee. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, they even let you freeze mint or berries for Instagram-worthy pours. Presto Stuffler Stuffed Waffle Maker. Breakfast just went 3D. Pour batter, pile in fillings, think mac and cheese or apple pie, top with more batter, flip 180 degrees, and the Stuffler bakes a Belgian waffle bursting at the seams. Built-in waffle tongs pop the masterpiece out intact, while the non-stick grids wipe clean. At 900 watts, it delivers a crispy shell and gooey center in about 6 minutes, sweet or savory. It's the carnival hack your brunch table was missing. Blue Ginkgo expandable over sink colander basket. Rinse, drain, even air dry dishes, all without hogging counter space. This BPA-free strainer stretches from 14 to 19 inches to perch above most sinks, keeping pasta water out of cooked noodles and thawed shrimp out of dirty basins. Perforated side speed drainage, and the shallow 2.75-inch depth doubles as a drying rack for mugs or baby bottles. Dishwasher safe and heat resistant, it folds back to 14 inches for easy cabinet parking. TikTok's favorite colander earns the hype. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. From frozen English muffin to hot handheld in under 5 minutes. Layer bread, cheese, pre-cooked meat, and a cracked egg across the maker's non-stick tiers, close the lid, and let it cook each layer to perfection. Slide the middle plate and the sandwich self-assembles. No flipping, no mess. Removable rings hit the dishwasher, and the compact 7x7-inch footprint fits any dorm or RV. Fast food convenience, but you pick the ingredients. Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper and Mandoline slicer. Turn a mountain of veggies into meal prep magic. This kit packs 5 interchangeable stainless blades plus spiralizer, julienne, ribbon, and grater inserts. 11 functions in one click lock lid. Dice straight into the 1.2-liter catch tray, then swipe the cleaning brush across the grid for safe cleanup. Non-skid base, finger guard, and cut-resistant glove keep digits intact, while BPA-free parts hit the dishwasher. Chopping time slashed, tacos plated sooner. Breville Joule Sous Vide. The stick that made sous vide sexy. Joule's 1100-watt motor heats water lightning fast, yet the wand is just 11 inches tall and 1.3 pounds. Drawer-friendly with a magnetic base that clamps to most pots. Pair it with the Joule app for visual doneness guides, voice control via Alexa, and turbo mode recipes that cut cook times in half. Stainless steel cap, Wi-Fi Bluetooth control, and precision to 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit means steakhouse perfection on weeknights. No chef jacket needed. SodaStream E-TERRA Sparkling Water Maker. Turn flat tap into fizz in 5 seconds. The E-TERRA's one-touch LED panel cycles through 3 carbonation levels, lighting up as bubbles build so you stop exactly where you like it. The slim electric base houses a quick connect carbon dioxide cylinder and locks the BPA-free 1-liter bottle with a satisfying click. No twisting required. Automatic pressure relief keeps eruptions off your counter, and the modern black and chrome design slides neatly between appliances. Skip store-bought seltzer, cut plastic waste, and flavor your own mocktails on demand without hauling cases from the car. Chef and VeggiChop hand-powered food chopper. No outlet, no problem. Just pull the ring and watch the stainless blades blitz salsa, nuts, or herbs in camping trip silence. A couple of tugs equals a rough chop. Keep pulling for Pico's smooth purees. The 3-cup BPA-free bowl doubles as a storage container with its locking lid, and everything disassembles for top rack cleanup. Lightweight, palm-sized, and kid-friendly, it beats bulky processors when you're short on plugs or patience. From RV kitchens to tailgate tables, it's the manual gadget that punches way above its weight. ThermoPro TP03B Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Open, probe, read, done. The TP03B's backlit display pops a 3-second temperature within plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, so steaks hit medium rare, not guesswork gray. A 3.9-inch stainless probe folds into the ABS body for pocket safety, while auto-off preserves the AAA battery for barbecue season. Switch between degree F and degree C, clip it to the fridge with the built-in magnet, or hang it by the loop. Waterproof housing shakes off sink splashes, making this the small but mighty guardian of roasts, candy, brewing, and grill glory. Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0 Sous Vide. Sous Vide simplicity shrunk. Nano 3.0 clamps to any pot, circulates 1100 watts of heated water within 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and now pairs over dual-band Wi-Fi for remote start in the Anova app, preloaded with thousands of chef-tested recipes. A quieter motor and redesigned skirt resist limescale, while the upgraded display shows both set and current temps at a glance. At just 12.8 inches tall, it stores like a whisk yet brings restaurant-level doneness to steak, custard, or veggies on autopilot. Precision cooking, countertop footprint minimal. Stasher Premium Silicone Stand-Up Mega Bag. Meet the gallon-sized self-standing bag that replaces disposable freezer boxes forever. Stasher's pure platinum silicone resists microwave, sous vide, oven, freezer, and dishwasher trials. No plastics, no BPA, no funk. The patented pinch lock seal clamps airtight with a push, trapping soup or smoothie prep upright thanks to its wide gusseted base. Write on it with dry erase, toss it in boiling water, or freeze chili flat to save space. One reusable bag keeps thousands of throwaways out of landfills, making your meal prep greener and cleaner. Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Blender cream soups right at the stove, no cord tangles. A rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium battery powers this immersion blender for 20 minutes per charge, spinning the stainless steel blade up to 15,000 RPM to pulverize ice, whip lattes, or blitz baby food. 5 LED bars track juice left in the tank, and the ergonomic handle balances even in tall pots. Included whisk and 30-ounce beaker expand its resume, and all detachable parts hit the dishwasher. Freedom to blend wherever the recipe takes you, patio, RV, or holiday buffet. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker with Side Tank. Chewable Sonic Ice at home, 24 pounds a day. Opal 2.0 flashes up the first nuggets in 15 minutes, then auto refills from the 0.75 gal side tank so parties never run dry. Wi-Fi and the Smart HQ app schedule ice cycles or night light colors, while built-in UV and filter guard against funky flavors. The sleek stainless chassis fits beneath cabinets and plugs into a standard outlet. No water line required. It's the countertop luxury upgrade your cocktails, iced coffee, and summer cool-downs deserve. Lava Tools Javelin Pro Duo Instant Read Thermometer. Serious pitmasters swear by it. A Japanese sensor delivers sub-3-second readings with plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit precision, and the auto-rotating backlit screen flips for lefties or awkward angles. An integrated motion sensor wakes the probe when you pick it up, then sleeps to save the CR2000 32 cell. IP65 splash-proof body, 4.5-inch antimicrobial probe, and magnetic back for smoker doors round out the tool that won KCBS Team of the Year nods. When seconds count between juicy and dry, Javelin PRO is the final authority. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Clip-on Colander. Dump pasta without juggle burns. The Snap and Strain's heat-safe silicone clamps to almost any round or oval pot, pan, or skillet, yes, even non-stick, forming a half-moon colander that pours liquid while caging noodles. No extra bowl, no sink splash. Snap it off, rinse in the dishwasher, and fold flat in a drawer. Perfect for ground beef grease, canned beans, and Sunday macaroni alike. It's the space-saving drainer that lets you retire that dinged-up metal colander for good. Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer. Transform that messy utensil drawer into a Zen garden. Drawer Store's tiered design stacks spoons, forks, and knives diagonally, fitting a full 24-piece cutlery set in half the space of a flat tray. Non-slip feet anchor the BPA-free caddy, and engraved icons guide quick unloads. At just 4.33 inches wide, it rescues space for whisks and spatulas in tiny apartment kitchens or RV galleys. A 3-second declutter that sparks everyday joy every time you open the drawer. Simple Human 9-ounce touch-free rechargeable sensor soap pump. Wave, wash, repeat, no germs on the dispenser. Simple Human's clog-free silicone valve snaps open for a precise soap squirt in 0.2 seconds, then seals shut drip-free. A magnetic USB cable refuels the lithium battery for 3 months per charge, while volume buttons fine-tune soap to hand size. The brushed metal body resists fingerprint smudges and water splashes, and the wide funnel lid makes refills civilized. Perfect for dish soap at the sink or sanitizer by the entryway, because clean should never be complicated. Align Motion Sense Wave Touchless Spring Faucet. Restaurant swagger meets smudge-proof tech. One hand wave starts or stops the flow from this high-arc stainless steel coil neck, letting you rinse chicken hands-free and keep the handle spotless. Power Boost mode fills pots 50% faster. A Docnetic magnet snaps the pull-down sprayer precisely in place. Moen's Spot Resist finish shrugs off fingerprints, while optional voice activation links to Alexa or Google for exact temperature commands. DIY-friendly Hydrolock installs without a plumber. Modern, mighty, and made to impress dinner party guests. Brita Hub Instant Countertop Water Filter System. Filtered pitcher convenience without the fridge real estate. The Brita Hub sits on the counter, filtering tap through Brita's advanced PureFast tech to remove 99% of lead, chlorine, and even select pharmaceuticals. 100 gallons per filter. Touch the LED pad to dispense a glass or continuous flow for pasta pots. The 12-cup reservoir slides out for easy refills at the sink. Filter life indicator tracks every drop, and the slim design fits under cabinets. Fresher water, zero plumbing, no pitcher shuffle. BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven. 6 slices of toast? Check. A 12-inch pizza? Check. Guilt-free fries? Double check. Crisp and Bake harnesses a powerful convection fan plus dedicated air fry tech to circulate super hot air for golden crunch minus oil. 5 functions: bake, broil, toast, keep warm, air fry. Live on simple mechanical dials and a 60-minute timer with stay-on option handles, low and slow bakes. The slide-out crumb tray and dishwasher safe fry basket make cleanup painless. Countertop versatility that retires your bulky standalone air fryer. Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel with protective cover. Roll through crust like butter. Kitchi's super sharp 3-inch stainless wheel delivers straight, clean slices with one push, while the ergonomic palm grip handle keeps fingers safely above the blade. Pop it apart with a press to toss both halves in the dishwasher, then snap on the blade guard for drawer storage. From thin Neapolitan to Chicago deep dish, or quesadillas and brownies, this compact cutter outperforms restaurant rocker blades without hogging utensil space. Ready to take your kitchen game next level? Hit that like button. If you found a gadget you can't live without, subscribe for more jaw-dropping Amazon finds, and share this video with your fellow home cooks. Drop a comment below and tell us which gadget you're adding to your cart first. Let's keep the kitchen innovation rolling.